Hello kids, it's Rex. Welcome back to my drawing and painting world. Today we are going to draw a slice of rainbow pizza. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw a big triangle. Trying to draw and paint with me. Great job! Now, let's add some yummy toppings. We are drawing fruit toppings. You can use your imagination and add your favorite fruits. Next, let's divide the pizza with some curved lines to make rainbow colors. Awesome! Now, around the pizza slice, I'm drawing rainbow hearts. They look like they are floating in the air. So fun and magical. Okay, let's make the first line thicker. Time to paint. We'll start with red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. And purple. The rainbow colors look so bright and beautiful. I love drawing and painting pizza so much. I love eating pizza. Do you like pizza too? It's one of my favorite foods. Rainbow pizza looks so amazing. See you in the next video.